If you're feeling very disorganized with your financials and you're feeling very overwhelmed by them as well, it's probably a good idea to start by setting up an accounting system that works for you. As I've mentioned before, spreadsheets will work, especially when you get started. Once you start growing and things get a little bit more complex for your practice, then you want to move over to an accounting software. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to choose the right accounting software for your therapy practice. If you're new here, my name is Jeanette Andrada, and I specialize in taxes and accounting for therapists in private practice. My goal is to help my clients feel confident about their financials, as well as helping them save money on their taxes and their ongoing expenses. First thing I want you to consider is your budget, and this is something that you're probably already thinking about, especially as you're getting started and you want to minimize your expenses. Now, costs can vary significantly with every accounting software. So taking a look at all the different types of software is going to be very helpful. Now, I do want to mention to keep in mind that even though budget is a consideration, you also don't want to go with an accounting software just because it's cheaper than another. I really recommend assessing the essential features of each software, and just remembering investing in a good accounting software is an investment for the success of your therapy practice. Second, as I already mentioned, you do want to make sure you're assessing the essential features of each accounting software. Make sure to look for accounting software that tracks all your expenses, that you'll be able to balance your books within that software, that it will help you with tax preparation at the end of the year. Now, keep in mind any automations that come with accounting software that are included in it. Automations are going to make your life so much easier in streamlining your processes and making sure that you're not spending a lot of your time on your bookkeeping. You also want to make sure that the accounting software integrates with payment processors like Stripe or Square, if this is what you're using. The accounting software is going to help you account for Stripe fees and for Square fees a lot easier than if you did it manually. So just making sure that those payment processors integrate through there. Most of you are going to do your billing through something like Simple Practice or Therapy Notes. However, if you have, let's say, a coaching business that you start, then you could essentially take payment through your accounting software, and you just want to make sure that everything's integrating correctly. You want to make sure that you are prioritizing the ease of use. So this is the third thing that we want to keep in mind. You're a therapist, not an accountant. So it's really essential to choose accounting software that's intuitive and user-friendly. So even if you lack that experience in bookkeeping, the right software should make it easy for you to manage your finances effectively. Look for software that provides user-friendly interfaces, custom dashboards, and just clear navigation. When possible, take advantage of demos or free trials to test the software's usability before making that commitment. Next thing is you want to seek professional advice. If you're not sure about what accounting software suits your therapy practice and all your goals, don't hesitate to seek professional help. So an accountant or bookkeeper will be able to provide you valuable recommendations based off of your specific needs. And of course, since we do this for a living, we could provide you insights on which software integrates well with the systems that you use and which are the ones that are going to help streamline your financial processes. This expertise will help you make an informed decision that aligns with your practice's unique requirements. And finally, you want to make sure you are reading reviews and testimonials. Before you finalize your choice, take the time to read reviews and testimonials from other therapists who have experience using the accounting software that you're considering. A really great place to go is like Facebook groups, to ask within that community, if you're part of like a therapist community, to ask there what accounting software they use, or I'm thinking of getting QuickBooks or Wave or Xero. So which one do you guys use? What do you recommend? The real life experiences that these therapists have with using the accounting software are going to really provide you valuable insights on the pros and cons of the different options. Definitely look for software that has positive feedback in terms of reliability, customer service, and ease of use. And consider joining therapist forums like those Facebook groups and professional networks to seek recommendations from your peers who have faced similar challenges as you. Now, choosing the right accounting software is going to be a crucial step for the success of your therapy practice. Keep in mind that each therapy practice is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Take the time to evaluate the options and choose software that aligns with your specific needs and goals. Investing in the right accounting software will lay a solid foundation for financial success, and it's also going to free valuable time for you to focus on transforming lives through your therapy practice. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and resources designed specifically for therapists like yourself. If you're looking for free resources and additional help for your practice, make sure to go to the link in my description. In there, you're going to find some free resources that I have for therapy practices that are going to be useful for you. One of them is a guide to bookkeeping for therapists that you will absolutely find helpful if bookkeeping is completely new to you, even if you have had your practice for a couple of years and you've kind of never understood what bookkeeping is. That's going to be a really great guide for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.